YESWELDER CUT-65DS PLUS Plasma Cutter Review. Real 4-in-1 cutting results, honest test. You line up the cut, pull the trigger, and nothing happens cleanly. The arc stutters, the tip drags across painted steel, and now you have a jagged edge and a ruined consumable. I've been there, standing in the garage with a pile of scrap and zero patience left. If messy cuts and wasted tips sound familiar, you are absolutely not alone. The real drain is the accumulation. You switch settings, swap tips, and still feel that pressure building behind your eyes when the cut wanders again. Cheaper machines promised clean starts, but delivered nothing near it on rusty or painted surfaces. There had to be a smarter, calmer, more controlled approach somewhere. One that actually handled the dirty, real-world metal sitting in your shop. Then everything changed when I found the YESWELDER CUT-65DS PLUS plasma cutter. Don't just pick any plasma cutter. Make sure it has a non-touch pilot arc with non-HF blowback start so you never waste time fighting arc interference or dragging tips across rough metal again. Here is what surprised me. The moment I triggered the first cut on painted plate, the arc initiated cleanly, without contact. No interference, no jolt, no drama. The non-HF blowback start means sensitive electronics nearby stay completely undisturbed, which matters when your CNC controller is 3 feet away. The 4-in-1 capability covers plate cutting, grid cutting, gouging, and marking from a single machine. At 220 volts, it slices through 9/16 of an inch cleanly and severs a full inch without hesitation. The large digital display shows air pressure, current, and voltage in real time, so adjustments take seconds. The IPT40 central connector torch changes consumables faster than most competing designs. One fabricator nearly scrapped a full afternoon of structural work before switching to the CUT-65DS Plus mid-session and finishing every cut cleanly. Long-term consistency comes next. After extended daily use, the machine settles into a rhythm that genuinely changes how you approach cutting jobs. Setup time shrinks. Confidence in the arc grows. You stop second-guessing every surface condition because the pilot arc handles painted, rusty, and uneven metal without skipping. A professional welding resource described the central connector IPT40 torch as providing stronger electrical contact, faster setup, and enhanced durability for high-amperage applications, which lines up exactly with what I experienced during repeated gouging sessions. An influencer who put the CUT-65DS through a full stress test called the performance surprising in the best possible way, noting how capable it felt across multiple cutting modes. One everyday user reported cutting half-inch plate at 220 volts on a messy log bunk repair and walked away genuinely impressed by how cleanly it handled that rough application. A workshop reviewer specifically praised the on-screen error code system for making troubleshooting fast and approachable, even for less experienced operators. Now, let me be honest about the one concern people raise. The included IPT40 torch is rated at 40 amps, so running sustained 65 amp cuts will wear consumables faster. Operating at moderate amperage or upgrading the torch resolves this cleanly. What cutting challenge would this machine finally solve for you? If cleaner cuts, zero arc interference, and a single machine that handles cutting, gouging, and marking without switching tools sound like the upgrade your shop needs, the YESWELDER CUT-65DS Plus plasma cutter is worth a serious look. Fabricators, garage builders, and field repair crews are already running it daily with consistent results. Results may vary depending on material, amperage, and setup. The affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned comment below. Come experience the difference in your next cut today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.